We're at Kiwi Lumbar, going to show you how to isolate and drain down the sprinkler system. The DBA has only got two switches, one's a test and one is normal, so you isolate that. The SGD board will go to isolate, and it's written up there, there's no sounders on the system. Then you go back over to the door, and above the door is the electric pump isolate switch. That'll stop the electric pump from starting up, and the diesel pump, the controller doesn't isolate it, so you have to take the positive sides off the battery and just drop them over. So that's the diesel isolated and the electric isolated and the sprinkler system isolated. You come back, your water gong, isolate that. Then you come back to your main stop valve, unpadlock that and shut the main stop valve, and then you can come over to the drain valve, unlock that and drain the system. To reinstate the sprinkler system at Kiwi Lumbar, first you've got to go across and shut the main drain. Then you open the main stop valve. Then you open one of the jockey pump lines and then open the other jockey pump line. Then you go across to your diesel and just touch one of the battery leads on, your diesel motor will start. Then remove it, because you've got to go and check your workmanship and make sure you've got no leaks, so you don't want the diesel starting up once you've stopped it. And monitor the pressure, and when it gets to about 6 bar, you can start your jockey pump, because the jockey pump won't work unless the diesel motor is running. So you switch your jockey pump on and get it up to 12 bar, then turn your jockey pump off. Once you've checked your system and you've put your battery leads back on the battery, the electric pump's turned on, you shut your jockey pump lines and come up to the DBA. You've got to check that these bars are pulled forward, both of them. Sometimes they reset by themselves and other times they may not. So what I always do is you've got the system isolated, is I put the system into test and the LED light will start flashing. Then you put the system back into normal and you'll see the LED light move from isolate to normal, and normal will be flashing. So that's what you want. Then you can come across to the test and switch that into normal. So you're back online, hooked up to the fire brigade.